So today I'll be showing you guys how to get this beautiful eye look. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get into the video now. So today I went in with my e.l.f. contouring palette in the lightest shade to prime my eye with. I went in with the Airspun to set it. Now, as you can see, my Take Me Back to Brazil palette is so messed up in the front, but it still gets the job done. I'm going in with the orange and a big blending brush to start off with my transition shade. So right now I'm just patting that on my eye just to build up the color, because sometimes the colors can not show as bright as I want it. So I'm just going to build it, and once I get it to the color, I'll start blending it out like I'm doing now. So now I'm going in with the dark pink, and I'm going to spray my brush with the NYX finishing spray so that my colors can appear more pigmented versus looking dull. This brush that I'm using is also by Wet n Wild. It is a smaller blending brush. It is easier for me to get into my crease and place the color exactly where I want it versus a bigger blending brush that will disperse eyeshadow all over my eye. So now you see me packing on the pink until I get it the color I want. Once I'm done doing that, then I'll just go back and forth between my colors so that I won't lose my colors that I put down. And that is really a key point in making your eyeshadows blend and also not losing the color. You have to keep going back and forth. So now I'm going in with the purple, and I'm just going to put that mainly in my crease. That's really where I want to focus it at, because I want to be able to see it when I do my cut crease, but I always have to go back and add some more purple at the top because it's just not high enough. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. contouring palette, and I'm going to use a Wet n Wild flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to cut my crease with that. You guys, this is a really good brush for you to buy if you want to cut your crease with. It's called the Smoky Eyeshadow Brush, and it really got my cut crease very sharp without me having to do the trick and the method of squeezing it. So you can purchase this at the Dollar Tree for like $1, or you can get it at your local dollar store or Walmart, and it'll probably be like $1 and some change. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go back in with the white eyeshadow, and I'm going to take another flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pat that all over my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with the Delancey highlighter palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Gold. Basically, I'm just going to put that on my cut crease to make it look like an ombre effect. So right now I'm about to show you that when I do my looks, I always lose the last color. So I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm just going to add that purple color right on top of my cut crease to make it look like it was already there before. Basically just deepening it up. Now I'm going to go in with the leftover pink on the eyeshadow brush and just put that at the end of my eye. And I'll do the same with the purple and put that at the outer V of my eye. Now it's time for lashes, and I'm going in with regular schmegular hair glue. Y'all, I've never tried the white eyelash glue that you're supposed to use, but the hair glue has never pulled my eyelashes out. I have pretty long eyelashes, so I'll just stick with that for now. And I'm just fanning it to get it tacky, and I'm just going to place that right on my eye. So now I'm about to go in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. I just did a review on it not too long ago. I'll definitely leave that at the top for you guys right about now. You should see the link up at the top. Definitely click on that if you want to know how I get my eyeliner to look the way it does. I did just clean off my eyeshadow to sharpen it up with just a makeup wipe. But yeah, definitely check out that eyeliner tutorial. So basically, that is how I got this look. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Give this video a thumbs up. And let me know at the bottom what kind of videos you want me to do. I'm down to do anything you guys ask for. So thank you guys for watching.